All right, let's bring in an immigration expert, immigration attorney, and of course, regular panelist here on Chasing News, Afia Yunus. Afia, welcome back.
Thank you. How are you, Bill?
So I'm doing great. Thank you. I hope you're doing well. How does this, from your perspective, as someone who represents people looking to become a legal immigrant, what impact does this have on the immigration community first?
There are clients who have U.S. citizen children, and we call it the 21-year plan. Once those children reach 21, then they're able to petition their undocumented parents to become U.S. citizens. So those individuals will be impacted. But there's also impact for lawful immigrants here in the United States as well.
How would that happen? I mean, when you heard the president, and again, he light touched it. It was not a lengthy conversation, not a lot of detail, but he really struck a chord, I think, with a lot of people concerned about illegal immigrants and concerned about the some 300,000 plus that become citizens, whether or not their parents are here legally. Is there some credibility behind that thought as an American saying, maybe there should be a legal process first?
No, I don't see any legal basis for the president to override the U.S. Constitution. As an advocate, as you are, of the Second Amendment, there's no way that the president can just unilaterally say the Constitution doesn't apply in this situation. I think it's classic Trump dropping the mic, fear-mongering, making everybody terrified with the caravan coming, increasing that terror and fear. There's no credibility here.
You're a reasonable progressive, I would say, and you and I could have a conversation, honestly, about the Second Amendment, but the reality is, out in the world of politics, many Democrats would disagree, say the Second Amendment is not an end-all, be-all. There are many qualifiers to that. So if the Second Amendment can be interpreted by the courts and local legislatures, why not the 14th Amendment?
Well, there's no room for interpretation. The 14th Amendment is very clear that one who's born in the United States is granted the privilege of U.S. citizenship. And so if the president wants to take that away, he's going to have to follow the process of constitutional amendment.
Do you expect this to end up in the Supreme Court in a major public battle?
Possibly. I'm putting on my seatbelt.
I'll bet. All right. Thank you, Afia. See you soon.